Good evening, you guys. I am at the SilkOut Bar. This is Tammy. And I am here with our client today, Nicole, who came to us by way of my dear friend Kai Smith, the trichologist. And she made the referral, not because she couldn't do it, but because the client lived closer to me and she thought it would be more convenient for her to work with me. So she called me up today and asked me to do this young lady's hair. And I just want to give you a little video. Her hair is amazing. Look at this gorgeous shine and conditioning. And so she had previously a Texlax on her hair. And so basically, I believe it's like relaxer and conditioner and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But her hair was having some challenges. And so she was looking for some help and she reached out to Kai and Kai forwarded her to me. So I just wanted her to just give you guys, just to tell you how does your hair feel in comparison to when you do the Texlax?
This experience has been so life-changing. My hair has never felt this good and this healthy. So please, I recommend getting the SilkOut treatment to anyone who wants healthy, restored hair again. And even if you just want body and life back into your hair, please get this treatment done.
Yeah, her hair, and I have some pictures, so I'm going to make a slideshow. It was very, very weak. It was lacking protein. It was just very, very weak. And I automatically knew we got to rebuild this hair. And she had about a 4-month regrowth from the Texlax. So we used the treatment to soften her regrowth area and but still have a lot of body. Like I said, it softens the hair gently. And then we also use the treatment to rebuild her hair. And I'm gonna make a slideshow video so you can see, just rinsing the treatment out, how much stronger her hair was. And even when I was combing it out, I showed her the brush and there was no hair in the brush, when normally there would be lots of hair in the brush. So our treatment 2-in-1 is restorative first, rebuilds the hair in the cortex, not a cuticle like keratin treatments, but in the cortex, because of the technology and the quality of the product just does that. And then also being able to smooth and soften her texture gently without the strong, evasive, caustic chemicals that we know a relaxer is, especially when it's not done professionally. You know, I still do relaxers and we use our treatment cocktail to rebalance and rebuild those. But she had been doing her relaxer, her Texlax herself. And although she had success for some years, she ran into the end of the road where she was not having success anymore and starting to have breakage. And that's why a lot of you guys do things at home that it works out fine for about a year, and then you'll look up and wonder what's happening, because you don't have that professional expertise to be able to manage and adjust and, do what needs to be done to keep the hair healthy. So thank you, Kai, for sending her to me, and thank you for letting me get this footage. And I'm so looking forward to her healthy hair journey. And she has beautiful hair, but it's going to be even more beautiful 6 months from now, a year from now. And this is what we do at the SilkOut Bar, healthy hair.